హాయ్ హాయ్ ఎలా ఉన్నారు? ఎలా ఉన్నారు? బాగున్నారా? సో మీకేంటి స్కూల్లో ఏంటి ఇబ్బందిగా ఉంది? పావులు వస్తున్నాయా మీ స్కూల్కి? ఎన్ని పావులు చూసారు? ఎవరు చూసారు పావుని? పావు చూసారా? ఎంత పెద్దగా ఉంది పాము? పొడవుగా ఉందా? ఓకే. Hello everyone, we've come to a small school in Tadipalligudam and the kids are saying that they have seen snakes in the compound of the school. So toilets ekkada adena mee enakala unna toilets avi. So the toilets are at the back of the students that you can see there. So they have to cross this path and they find snakes out here. So they really want this to be sorted out so that they can get rid of this there's so much of greenery out here, so they want all these things to be cleared and they want to have a open ground so that they can play as well. So if anybody can actually sponsor to clear this ground for these students, it will be helpful because child safety is quite important and snakes can be quite dangerous as well for the children, so they are worried. Ore mee perlu adugutanu, okokkalu naku peru cheptara? Okay, great. Nee peru enti? Harsha. Very nice. Nee?
Kranti Kumar.
Kranti. Joshua. Manoj. Sudhakar. Vinay. Rishi. Narendra. Surya Prakash. Likita. Chinamma neede? Anisha. Neede? Bashiramma. Nagamani. Nee peru? Vinayshri. Jyoti. Hasini. Krishnaveni. Mahima Jyoti. Nee peru? Vijay Kumar. Okay. Nee peru? Premaraj. Very nice. Nee peru? Peru entra? Nee peru entra? Bela. Okay. Very nice. Nee peru? Harshit. Nee? Very nice. So ela chadukuntaru? Baa chadutunnara? Baa cheptunnara? Are you happy at school? Oh, nice. Claps kottandi. Okay. I love you evaru cheptaru? I love you cheppandi. Ila pettandi. Ila petti I love you cheppandi. I love you. I love you. I love you. Ila. Yeah, that's nice. Ila chupichu. Daniki chupichura. Chinnodiki chupichu. Okay, very nice. So it's very nice to see these children happy and smiling. Ore ground baag cheyiste mokkale estara proper ga? Pichi mokkalanni తీసేసి ground neat ga cheste koncham manchi mokkalu vittanalu iste estara? Okay, very good. So we actually have to clear up this ground. So you can see the ground is quite dense actually with these plants. And it's really not in a great shape for the children to come because there is dust and everything. So they have to clear up the ground so that these kids can actually play in this area, and it needs to be in a safe space so that they can the toilets are also not in a good locations. So the kids are actually worried to go to the toilets as well. So it's very important to get this cleaned up. So if anybody would like to sponsor this cause, please let us know. I don't know, we might have an estimation of 5,000 or something to clear this up. If anybody would like to sponsor this, kindly let me know. Thank you so much. This is Trikla from Global Support Organization. Jai Hind Chapandi. Jai Hind. I love you. Okay. Bye everyone. Thanks.